5 simple home remedies for fairer, glowing skin. Turmeric powder. Turmeric. Want to know how to get glowing skin naturally? If you've ever paid heed to your grandmother's fair skin tips, you'll know that turmeric is probably number 1 on her priority list. This is due to the powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent called curcumin that is present in turmeric. Papaya. A major part of our home remedies for glowing skin is the extensive use of papaya. The secret beauty nutrient in papaya is papain, an enzyme that has skin lightening properties and can reduce the visibility of blemishes and acne scars. Together with alpha hydroxy acids, papain also acts as a gentle exfoliator that dissolves inactive protein and dead skin cells. Raw milk is one of the most easily available fairness tips. You'll find it in every kitchen. Tyrosine is the melanin-controlling hormone that can lead to skin darkening. It keeps a check on the secretion of tyrosine, hence proving to be an unbeaten fairness agent. The application of raw milk is the answer to all your how to get fair skin questions. Cucumber. One of the biggest home remedies for fair skin is generous use of cucumber, not just in your diet but in your beauty routine as well. Apart from its well-known soothing properties, cucumber contains the same pH level as your skin. This aids in replenishing your skin's protective and natural acid mantle, promoting glowing skin. Aloe vera. Wondering how to get fair skin naturally? Just like all other skin problems, aloe vera is an answer to your need for fair skin tips. 2.1 of the compounds, anthraquinone, present in raw aloe extracts are said to increase cell turnover and remove dead cells, which helps reduce hyperpigmentation, leading to glowing skin.